Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. What is this intro right now? So today's video is going to be a review of the Midas Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I'm half considering redoing the intro, I'm half considering just leaving it. I think I'm just gonna leave it. But today we're going to be reviewing this palette. It is a yellow palette. You guys, like so many of you tagged me in this post on Instagram, on Twitter, sent it to me in DMs, like everything telling me about this palette coming out. And of course, you guys know I already had to go and buy it, so I bought it. It was $18 with shipping. It cost $23, which is very reasonable. And it's my first time trying Midas Cosmetics. So I'm very excited. And today we're going to be reviewing this palette. We're going to do this little look together. I'm going to tell you what I think. But before we do all that, let's get into some swatches. Also, this brand is cruelty-free as always. Alright, so here are the swatches of the palette from beginning to end. I just want to say that they're all really pretty. These are swatched twice, so in the pan, swirled down twice. They're really cute. The shimmers are stunning. This shimmer right here, which is the fourth color, it is this color in the palette, which is like the darker shimmer, really comes off very light on the hand. It does not swatch very dark. Neither does the like kind of golden shade, and the lime green shade is a little bit patchy for a swatch, but that is not like, a swatch is not the test of how good a palette is. So this is the swatches. I think they look pretty good. And I really like how this one kind of like breaks up the all pastel theme. If you want to darken it up, you have this option, which is very nice. Alright, hello guys. So, let's go ahead and get into this. I act really weird around yellow shadows. I realized this when I rewatched my Honey palette video. I don't know. So this is the Lemonade palette. It's very cute. And let's go ahead and do a look because I'm sure I showed you in the intro what the palette looks like. So I'm going to start off with this really light shade, which is like the lightest bright yellow we have. And I'm going to buff that with a E38 brush from Sigma all over the crease and in the inner and outer portion of the lid. We're going to do kind of a halo-y thing, I think. So there's a minimal amount of kickback in the pan with this shade, not too much at all. And it's showing up pretty decently. So no complaints so far about this first shade. I'm going to start darkening up this color now with the next yellowy shade. I kind of want to use this greeny yellow. Like, it's a really unique color, but like, I don't know. We're still going to use this bright one. So if I'm being honest, this is the two shades, this is the one shade. It's not that much of a difference, even though they look pretty decently different in the pan. It's a little bit darker, yes, of course, but it's not too different. So I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna take this yellowy goldy shade now. I'm just building a whole bunch of colors over the crease. And I'll probably go a little bit lower on the lid with this one, if I can get it to show up, because it's not really doing anything right now. No, don't be like this. Okay, it does look like it's showing up. It's just not as dark as I thought it'd be. Yeah, I definitely expected this to be a little more golden, because it's relatively dark in the pan. And it's not really doing it for me over here. I don't know why it's not that dark. Like, I can see where I put it on the lid compared to this. It's still the same yellow that's on my crease. So confused as to why this isn't a golden color. I really wanted to match my pizza slices. My pizza slices. But apparently not. Apparently it's not gonna do that. So whatever. So I was gonna go for a halo eye, right? But now I'm like, now I just have yellow everywhere and there's nothing for really me to like cut out or like halo out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a cut crease canvas from Makeup Revolution on a flat brush. This is a NARS number 7 brush. Just a little bit, and I'll just like open up this front corner of my eye. So I can put like a white or light shimmer. Yeah, it's like a light shimmer. We'll put a light shimmer down right in this entrance of the eye. Also, entrance to the eye sounds really gross, and I don't know why I said that, and I don't know why it sounds gross, because it's not. But like, entrance to the eye sounds disgusting. So cleaned off that product on this brush, and I'm going to put this really light shimmer in that little area we just carved out. I just want the inside of my eyes to look more awake. Alright, that looks really weird. I'm going to take the other side of my brush that I haven't used, dip into a mix of this shimmer, and just put something on the rest of the lid that's not just straight like 3 yellow mattes that I put down. Just going to mix this to put a little bit of shimmer on the rest of the lid. Also, don't ask me what this look is, because I don't know. I have no idea what this is. But because all the shades are decently similar together, I think it'll be cute once I pop on some lashes. But like, that's what I do with everything. If it looks like, or questionable, just pop on some lashes. It'll be okay. And you guys call me, or like, well, I guess it's not you guys. It's people who watch my videos that get more like popular than the rest of them. Like the Jeffree Star video that has like 20,000 views. There's always those comments, they're like, messy eyeshadow covered up with lashes. I'm like, it's trying to make it work. If you don't do that, that's not my problem. For the lower lash line, to make it a little tiny bit different, I'm going to take a shader E55 brush from Sigma Beauty into this darker shade. We'll see if it shows up this dark underneath the lower lash line. But I just want to break up that like pure yellow. Alright, I'm going to go finish up my face off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using the Midas Cosmetics Lemonade Palette. What do we think? I got my Ronald McDonald realness with the red and the yellow going on, and like, I don't care. I might look like a clown. I don't care. So this is the finished look. I think the eye look looks really cute. Like, it's not revolutionary. It's not as golden as I wish it was. But like, if it's yellow on my eyelids, I'm kind of living my best life at that point. So overall, let me think about what I think about the palette. Okay, well, I really like the palette. I think it's a great palette. I think everything in here is really nice, even swatched out, except I just wish this came off as more gold on the eyes. That's my only thing. I'm sure if I mixed it with a little bit of this, maybe it'd come off a little bit darker, but I just didn't get like a real golden hue from this shade. But the rest of them are really pretty, and I really enjoyed like this light shimmer that we put in the center of the eye. I like the rest of the shimmers we put on the lid. I thought everything was really cute, but like, I wish this was more golden. These two are very similar, but like, they look pretty similar, so I'm not mad about it. Overall, it is a good palette. It's always great to support indie brands, and I would recommend it, especially for $18. I think you'll definitely get your money's worth out of it if you love yellow shadows half as much as I do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would not mind hitting the subscribe button down below, I'd appreciate it greatly, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.